Welcome to today's video, where we explore the powerful concept of making your money work for you. Instead of just saving, smart financial strategies can help you grow wealth, create passive income, and secure financial freedom. Whether you are just starting or already on your journey, these tips will give you the clarity and confidence to take control of your finances. Stay tuned till the end for practical insights, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Number 5. Invest smartly. Investing smartly means making your money grow rather than letting it sit idle. When you invest in stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, you allow your wealth to benefit from market growth and compounding returns over time. Smart investing does not mean chasing quick profits, but focusing on long-term strategies that balance risk and reward. Researching companies, industries, and trends helps you make informed decisions rather than relying on speculation. Diversifying within your investments also plays a key role in reducing risks. For example, instead of investing all your money in one company's stock, spreading it across different industries or funds provides more security. Index funds and ETFs are great tools for beginners since they track overall markets and require less effort to manage. It's also important to reinvest dividends instead of cashing them out, as this accelerates compounding growth. Setting clear goals, such as retirement planning or wealth building, helps you stay focused on consistent investments. Regularly contributing, even with small amounts, builds wealth steadily over years. Investing smartly transforms your money into a tool that works for you, ensuring financial growth, independence, and long-term stability without depending solely on active income from your job. Number 4. Build passive income. Building passive income is about creating cash flow streams that continue to generate money with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income works in the background. Real estate rental properties are one of the most common examples, where tenants' rent provides steady monthly income. Digital opportunities, such as ebooks, online courses, or affiliate marketing, also allow you to earn repeatedly from one-time efforts. Dividend-paying stocks are another source, where companies reward you regularly just for holding their shares. Another growing trend is peer-to-peer lending, where you lend money through platforms and earn interest in return. Building passive income requires upfront effort, investment, or both. But once set up, it provides long-term rewards. The key is to focus on scalable opportunities that don't require constant involvement. Even creating a YouTube channel or blog can become passive income once content gains traction and attracts advertisers. The goal of passive income is financial freedom, as it reduces dependence on your salary. Over time, multiple passive income sources build stability, allowing you to cover expenses, save more, and reinvest profits. This cycle strengthens financial security while making your money continuously work for you. Number 3. Automate savings. Automating savings is one of the simplest and most effective ways to make your money work for you. Instead of relying on discipline alone, you set up systems that automatically transfer a portion of your income into savings or investment accounts. This method ensures consistency and helps you build wealth without having to think about it every month. For example, you can schedule your bank to move a fixed amount from your checking account to a savings or retirement fund on payday. By doing so, you pay yourself first before spending on other things. Automating savings also removes the temptation of unnecessary spending, as the money is already set aside. Over time, these consistent contributions add up significantly, especially when combined with compound interest. Many people underestimate how powerful small, regular savings can be when allowed to grow over years. Automating also applies to investments, where recurring deposits into ETFs or retirement plans steadily build your portfolio. This approach creates discipline, reduces stress, and eliminates procrastination. Instead of worrying about forgetting or missing payments, automation does the work in the background. Ultimately, automating savings helps you stay on track with financial goals while steadily building long-term wealth. Number 2. Reduce debt. Reducing debt is crucial if you want your money to work for you. Debt, especially high-interest loans like credit cards, drains your finances because interest payments eat away at your income. By clearing debt, you free up cash flow that can be redirected towards savings, investments, or building new income streams. The first step is to identify and prioritize debts with the highest interest rates, as they cost the most over time. Methods like the avalanche method, paying off high-interest debts first, or the snowball method, paying off small balances first for motivation, can be effective. Reducing debt also improves your credit score, which lowers borrowing costs for big purchases, like homes or cars in the future. Another benefit is psychological relief, as being debt-free provides peace of mind and reduces financial stress. By cutting unnecessary expenses, creating a budget, and directing extra income toward repayments, you can speed up the process. Once debts are cleared, the money previously wasted on interest becomes available for savings or investment. Reducing debt isn't just about financial numbers. It's about gaining control and ensuring your money supports your future rather than being lost to lenders. Number 1. Diversify assets. Diversifying assets is one of the most effective ways to protect and grow your wealth. Instead of putting all your money in one place, you spread it across different types of investments. For example, some funds can be invested in stocks for growth, some in bonds for stability, and some in real estate for steady income. This strategy reduces risk because if one area underperforms, others can balance the loss. Business investments, commodities, or even digital assets like cryptocurrency can also be part of diversification. The goal is to avoid being overly dependent on a single income or investment source. Diversification also ensures that your money adapts to changing market conditions. While stocks may perform well during economic growth, bonds or real estate might remain stable during downturns. It's like creating a safety net for your wealth. Over time, diversification helps smooth out financial ups and downs while still providing long-term growth. It also gives you more opportunities to tap into different markets and benefit from multiple income streams. By diversifying assets, you ensure that your financial foundation is secure, flexible, and always working in your favor, regardless of economic shifts. Thanks for watching this video on how to make your money work for you. I hope these strategies inspire you to take charge of your financial future and build lasting wealth. Keep applying these tips consistently, and you'll see real results. Stay motivated, stay smart, and subscribe for more.